Hello, my digital planner friends. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to do a plan with me for the month of August using our back to school kit. If you're new around here, my name is Brandi Reed and I'm with 3 Nail Faith, where I create digital planners, digital stickers, digital devotionals, and prayer Bible accessories. If you could please give this a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. It helps the algorithm to let other people know that like Plan With Me's, that YouTube will understand that this is a plan with me that people like. So hit that thumbs up for me and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, so that way you don't miss a single video. So here is our back to school kit. Here's the first page, and it has, I'll zoom in a little bit, has 4 scriptures on it. There's the 4th one, prayer list, to do, some washi tape, some of the flags. We have our date covers, some icons, weather, emotions, payday, day off, pay bill. We have date covers. We have some school-related little icons and some scripture and other things. So that is our kit there. I'm going to close that out, and I've already gone ahead and added the date covers in just to make it a little bit easier. I like to use the elements tool, so I'm going to pull that up, and I like to slide it over so that only 3 are showing. And if you're new to GoodNotes, if you just squish in, it will allow you to move your page to fit, or if you push out, it makes it zoom in for you. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with my week covers. Okay, I'm going to slide that. And you know what? I'm going to go ahead and drop them all in first. Sunday, somehow Tuesday got before Monday, but that's okay. Wednesday, Thursday. I love back to school supplies, all that fun. So I had to make it with these cute little crayons. All right, I'm going to use the picture photo tool because that gives you better control, because you have more options to work with than just the elements tool. And I'll show you that. So you have the sides and the corner. If you are just on the element tool, you only have this side here. And sometimes it comes in wonky and it doesn't want to straighten. So I really like to use the photo tool. Okay, Okay, so we got that in. It's already starting to look super cute. I have this long and this here. So let's go down and find, where did our washi go? There's one of them. There's the other one. I think I'm actually just going to use, now as you can see, when it comes in, it's going to be distorted looking, but that's okay. As soon as you tap it, it comes clear. So I'm going to go ahead. I think I might actually use this one on both because I just love this crayon. But it would, let's see. I think this one says back to school. Yeah, which is super cute too. We're going to go ahead that way because it's not crayon on crayon right next to crayon. Okay, got back to school in there. I think I'm going to leave the top open. Sometimes I like to decorate the very top layer, But right now, I think I'm going to leave that clear unless I change my mind. And we know how digital planning, we like to change our mind. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start on Sunday. And the wonderful thing about digital planning is obviously you can change your mind and not be worried about the fact that you're not going to ruin your paper if you try to pull up a sticker or anything like that. Let me see, I need my garbage can because we take out our trash. I'm going to put, and I need my planner. There's my planner. I loved that little print. I thought that was so cute. Okay, and then I'm just going to lasso, tap it, hit copy, tap, hold, paste, and match. I like to do to paste and match because then that way it holds the same shape instead of just paste. It holds the same size. Okay, on Mondays, let's see, there's my coffee cup right there. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that out because I have what's called a coffee chat every Monday morning. Let me find, I want to do a blue, I think. I think that would look really cute, a blue flag, since we got the yellow with the, okay. Now, because I stuck this one first, it's going to be behind. So I need to tap the flag, hit arrange, and send to the back. And then it sends it to the back. I'm going to move this up a little bit. And then I want to do coffee chat. And I'm going to change the color because as you can see, you can really hardly see it. So I'm going to use my lasso tool and I'm going to lasso it, tap it, color. Yep, there. It was there, but then I tapped it too quick. Okay, come on. Color, I'm going to do white. And even though it's hard to see, it is still there. All right, coffee chat. So now I'm going to lasso all of that, copy, and put it on all my days. I don't have anything going on Tuesdays, but I do have Bible study on Wednesdays. So let me find my Bible study. There it is. Put Bible study, and I do have a Bible, so yeah, I'm on Wednesday. Let me find my Bible. It also says Bible study, but I wanted to kind of dress it up a little bit this week or this month. Copy. Okay, my son and daughter start school back on the 8th. So we're gonna go ahead and put first day of school. And I'm gonna make that big because I want it loud and proud. The other thing is we have payday on the same day, so how do I want to do this? Maybe just make it small. Yeah, we're just going to make it small this week for that week. Copy, and then the 22nd we have it, but I'm going to make it bigger for that day. Thursday is also, the last Thursday of the month is our digital planning meetup where we get together and plan the month. I work on my daily pages usually and get them all set up and ready to go. Make that a little bit bigger. With the digital planning meetup, you get the monthly devotional, the monthly sticker, and an exclusive sticker for that month, just for the digital planning meetup people. And it's just $9 a month. So that's a really good offer. You get all the products plus the 1 hour Zoom meetup, what we meet up together. And that really helps you stay accountable and make sure that you just get your month set up. Because I know when I have my month set up ahead of time, it just makes my life so much easier. Let's see, I'm looking for, there we go, my weekend. let's see, how do I want to do this one since we got the, you know what, I think I might just stick that one just on Saturday. Usually I do Friday to Saturday, but I don't usually use the date covers, so it wasn't going to work that way. Let's see, I pay my bills. Where's pay bill? I got a lot of yellow. I don't have any red. Let's use the red. Nope, that's payday. Where's pay bill? I bet it is. Okay, sometimes this happens to me, and I have found that if I scoot it over a little bit, it will, pay bill, pop back up and scoot it back over. Not quite sure why we get that little glitch, but it's all good. There's ways around. Copy and paste. All right, so I got my Fridays. Saturday is, it's going to be up here, family time. So I'm going to put my family time sticker in. And then, of course, I'm going to copy and paste. There's no other holidays that I believe are that month. No birthdays. So, but I do try to track my weight at the beginning of the month and the end of the month. And where did my scale go? It's probably right in front of me. There it is. I told you it was right in front of me. So I'm going to put it there. And do I want to stick it there or down? I usually stick it down in the corner, but I just love that crayon. So I think what I'm going to do is just stick it right here. I'm just going to do it right next to each other. And I'll know that one's for the beginning and one's for the end. All right, let's see. We want to make sure we decorate this side panel. And then we got to add all those cute little stickers in. All right, I need my prayer list. I'm going to do that in red because, again, we don't have a lot of red in. Let's see. I'm going to put prayer list down here. And then we got a to-do. I'm going to do that in yellow. Okay, and then I've got some little couple of areas that I want to fill in. Wonder if I could get one of these. Might be a little smaller, but I think that'll be okay. Get a scripture on there. And this month's scriptures are on wisdom, which makes sense for back to school. And I want to do Jesus is my rock. That's not going to work good there. Let's see if this one will work better. There, because we can overlap that a little better. Now I want to fill in, and again, because some of my little things have disappeared, I'm going to slide it over. And Tuesdays, I don't have anything ever going on Tuesdays, so I like to fill in Tuesdays with the decoratives. This backpack's so cute. And that one fit in perfect. So it just gives it a little bit more decoratives. Let's see. I wonder what it would look like and see if we can do it. Might distort too much. I just love the crayons and the markers. So I was going to see if I could put them. I am going to do that. Copy. Might hang off a little bit, but it's okay. I like that. And yeah, I think that's what we have for this month. I think it turned out really, really cute. Again, I love the back to school-y kind of the look of that, and that's how it turned out. So if you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss another video, and I hope you have a wonderfully blessed day. Bye-bye.